Recently, I saw a man dying. It was a sad sight. I felt the sorrow of the dying person. Eventually, every one of us has to face this reality. I want to inquire you how to die peacefully.
I don't think that the physical experience of death is essentially painful. After all, death is a natural event, just like falling a ripened fruit. The sorrow or the pain of the death is something that we bring in by our perception of death. Every person has his own way of perceiving death. Now, what brings sorrow to death? It is the notion that I am going to die brings death, the sorrow of the death. Because I, as an entity, does not know how to end itself. The notion of I frightens the very thought of death. Now, what is this notion of I? Is it a fact or a reality? No, the notion of I is something that the mind has created. The mind has created the illusion of that there is a permanent entity as I here. Which means we have created this image and we are continuing this image as we go on in our life. If you closely perceive how this I comes into being, you see that mind is always producing thought after thought. And mind feels uncomfortable of the impermanence of itself. Because every thought is impermanent, it rises and falls. Therefore, the mind creates an illusion of a permanent person in us. The permanent person is the thinker, the I, the person. Right. Now, I think that I lived in the past. I think that I live in the present. I think that I live in the future. Now, if one can get rid of this notion of I or drop the notion of I, then there is no person to die. Death becomes sorrowful when you perceive that there is a person to die. When you see that there is no one to die, nobody to die, there is no sorrow. Let us consider how to die peacefully. Now, when you drop I, when you drop your recognition of this notion of I, when you have no motion of I, you don't recognize yourself as a permanent person. You don't recognize that this body is mind, this mind is mind. When there is no recognition of a person as I, then the state of mind that comes into being is a just being. In that pure state of being, there is neither death nor a person dying. That state of pure awareness, pure being, is above the world of sorrow.